So welcome back, folks. Welcome back to the celebration of the High Holy Day of St. Patrick's Day here at the Booze by Rob production facilities, located, you know it, historic Nashville, Tennessee. So our next cocktail on this journey is called the 1829. Well, what's an 1829? Well, in 1829, the Tullamore D.E.W distillery was created. They started in Tullamore, which is a city, and it didn't have the "dew" at the end of it. Tullamore D.E.W, the D-E-W, and if you notice, it's D period, E period, W period. And those are the initials of a guy who started at 15 years old, Daniel E. Williams, D-E-W, and would later become a great Irish distiller and really take that distillery to where it is today. A lot of things have happened in their history, but he really did a great job. So they honor him by Tullamore D.E.W. So 1829. So we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of Tullamore D.E.W. And if you use some different Irish whiskey, you're going to have to change the year because they all started in different times. So that was 1.5 ounces. Next, we're going to have 1 ounce of fresh orange juice. Next, 3/4 ounce of sweet maraschino. No, this is sweet vermouth. Maraschino is coming. And we use Antica Formula. We found it to be the best. It's a little pricey, but hey. Lastly, we have 3/4 ounce of maraschino cherry liqueur. And this is just a wonderful, tasty cocktail additive. All right, I'm going to shake that one up. And as I was shaking, I realized we don't have our favorite strainer out. We need our Hawthorne strainer. How else can you keep the ice cubes out of your glass? Another different cocktail glass, this is another one by the company Nude. Really have some elegant designs. And let's see what we get. Also chose a little bit bigger glass because this is a little bit larger cocktail. All right, garnish, since we used a maraschino liqueur, a maraschino cherry. All right, let's see what the 1829 tastes like. Love it. Compared to the last one we did in episode 1, not a fan. This is pretty darn tasty. Now, the production staff has, I won't call them wrong opinions because that's just rude. She has alternative opinions of some cocktails. She liked the other one. Yep, we're going to make this one from time to time. So cheers. Stay safe and enjoy. Stay tuned for episode 3. It's coming up.